What's your whiteboard hack? I don't know if I can tell you about that, bro. Sorry. I don't know. That's quite a personal question. Sorry. My whiteboard hack is honestly, it will honestly drastically change your productivity if you actually use it each and every single day. So before you're about to go to bed, it's quite late. I'm not going to bed soon, but it's 10:30 here. So let's say like 2 a.m. I'm going to bed. 2 a.m. I will write down all of my things to do for the next day in order of priority. Then I'll write down the amount of time I need to do on each and every single task. Let's say it's optimize Etsy store A. I'll write that down, and let's say that's going to take me 30 minutes. So that's done. That's out of my brain on the whiteboard, which is positive. And then I know I need to do it tomorrow. So tomorrow, when tomorrow comes, I'll start doing that. I'll put a timer on my screen. So say 30 minutes at the top of my screen here. You can see it in the reflection. 30 minutes on the top of my screen here, and it will just get going. It will get going, and it'll get going, and I'm then racing the timer, and then I tick it off on the whiteboard. Super quick interruption. After you finish watching this video right here, go check out the video that's the top link in the description, where I detail exactly how I made over £200,000 from Etsy dropshipping in just 3 months. Go check it out, but watch this video first.